Alright guys, we got a little unboxing today. The Apex Batman drone. It's a real beauty. The only problem is everything's in Chinese. So I actually don't know anything about it. Okay. So it even has all the features here, which you can pretty much guess what they are just by looking at the picture. You know, return to home, camera, lights. I'm not sure what that is. Headless mode. That gyroscope, I think that's if you want to fly it with the phone or something. So let's check it out. Merch RC did a review on this. He seemed to like it, so I said, oh, I'll pick that up. That looks pretty cool. So I did take it out to take a picture of it, but I didn't do anything with it. Here's the transmitter. Looks pretty good. And believe it or not, it is labeled, which is stunning. Here it says speed and stunt, which, you know, I don't like when they put, because I had a problem with another quadcopter like that. I think it was one of the ones I sent to Donnie. When they put the rate button and the flip button on the same button, it causes a lot of problems. Here's the take off or take photo and video. And I don't know what these are. Probably like a headless mode and something else. And here's the take off and landing button right here. Yeah, when you put the rate button and the flip button on the same button, I've noticed that there can be issues with it, because I had two quadcopters like that. Real RC AC R20, and that I can't think of the name of it for the life of me. But yeah, I had problems with it too. I didn't even post that video yet. But here's the phone holder. And that's gonna clip in there. It'll looks like it's gonna snap in right there. Yeah, you just put it in there and push down. That's what it looks like from the way that's set up. Yeah, I'm trying to think of the name of that thing. Now I already shipped it off to Donnie, so I can't go grab it. I'll figure that out eventually. Here's the quadcopter. Feels nice. Feels real nice. It has a little bit of weight to it. Here's the battery. The battery is a 3.7450. You can see there. Yeah. Camera. Tiltable. All the way down. So you can tilt that sucker all the way down. I'll keep it at about right there. Right there, the first. Let's see if it powers on at all. Yeah, there's a little bit of juice left in it. Let's see what other goodies we got in here. Yeah, your standard fare, your USB charger. There's some screws, screwdriver, manual, some props, and some prop guards, which I won't use, so just leave them in there. But I'll save them in case I give it away. Okay, so if I give it away, I'll save the prop guards and to ship them out with the prop guards. Yeah, it seems okay. The build quality seems pretty nice, actually. It has a nice feel to it. You know that feel I'm talking about. Yeah, it feels solid. So yeah, looks good, man. Looks good. All right, guys, I'll get this all charged up and we'll get it flying. All right, guys, have a nice day.